Hey guys, Casey Sanguins here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I want to show you this new 2020 Coachmen Catalina 293 rear lounge. It's the RLDS LE, Rear Lounge Dual Slide Legacy Edition. You've got the bigger propane tanks up on front and of course the power tongue jack. You're going to need that. It's going to make it a lot easier hooking up, getting ready to go. Catalina's done a great job this model year, kind of revamped the colors, really, to me, really pops, kind of a little retro look. On the outside, you've of course got a nice pass-through storage. It doesn't go quite through, and I'll show you why inside, but this is a 50 amp coach. It does have the option to add a second air conditioning in it. Coming along the campside, you got a nice full-length awning. The nice handle and the steps. The people are loving this solid step. Makes it a lot nicer to get in and out. You do have a slide on this side of the trailer. There is a little outside kitchen back there in the back. It's a little tight, so we won't show you that. You'll have to come see me to see that. Let's jump on inside and take a look. Coming inside, it opens up very nicely. There's a lot of room in this coach. You have a very usable galley, nice fixtures, the nice flat top oven. This is the new Furrion stove with the lights. It's the first self-igniting oven, pretty slick. Plenty of storage up here. You've of course got a microwave, lots of counter space, plenty of space to do prep. You got a nice big fridge and freezer, tons of pantry space, lots of storage, plenty of food. Back in the back side, you've got the nice rear lounge, lots of windows in this coach, a lot of natural light. This couch is a full height-a-bed, so if you've got company, you do have a second place to sleep. But you've also got nice recliners over here that are directly across from the TV and a fireplace. You've got the freestanding table dinette with 4 chairs. There is a little storage underneath the chairs as well. Let's go forward into the front end of the trailer. You've got a nice, decent sized bathroom, nothing too big, but it's got the nice corner shower with the glass enclosure. It's got its own vanity, its own sink, and of course a toilet. Plenty of room in there, but not a lot of wasted space. What I really love about this trailer is the bedroom. Okay, a lot of these trailers really lack in the bedroom space. This trailer has a lot of space up here. You've of course got your hanging wardrobes on either side of the bed. This is the full residential size queen bed. But back here, you've got even more closet space, more storage, top and bottom. So plenty of places to stack clothes if you wanted to stay a little extra long. More storage down here. You've of course got some storage underneath the bed as well. There's also a spot for a TV here. And like I said, this is a 50 amp coach, so there's not a second air conditioner here now, but if you wanted to do some extended camping, you could install a second AC up there. Again guys, this is the 2020 Catalina 293 RLDS LE. My name is Casey Sanguins. If you have any questions about this trailer or anything else we have in stock, give me a call. My phone number is 541-953-9171. Look forward to hearing from you.